Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. I'm down at
Beaumont Middle School.
and we're setting up a GM 3D 500. They're moving it from classroom to classroom. We serviced this last night. We're doing our first test print with it. It's doing an auto bed leveling. This is our machine that we've been selling for some time now, our GM 3D 500. As you know from the current videos, we're selling the 505, which is a updated version of this exact same chassis. What I really want to talk about is injection molding. This school's really got it going well. This teacher down here, great classroom. This right here is an injection mold. Somebody machined it, and as inside it splits in half, and you might not know what that looks like, but both halves of this, that's the other half, is set up extremely nice to where this is keyed and it goes back together like this. And then this contraption right here, it slides in underneath there to where this hole right in the top lines up, and then they put pressure on it from this clamp when they bring that in. This handle is up in the air. They heat up the plastic in there, and then they wait for it to reach the right temperature. And when it does, this handle comes down. You push on the handle and push the plastic into the die, and then this comes out. Well, it's a golf tee. So they have a die to injection mold golf tees, and it is a perfect golf tee. It has a little scrap down here on the bottom, but that's how injection molding works. As many schools as I've been in and seen labs much like this school is incredible. They have hydroponics over here, they have the 3D printing over here with us, they have the injection molding over here, and they have little cells all the way down through here, robotics down in the back. Now tonight is one of their open houses, and we're just trying to help them out a little bit to get started so they can show off some of their cool 3D printing as well. But it's really amazing what they do here. They have a little robotics arm right down here where they program it to pick these cups up and move them around. This school really has everything that gets me excited about teaching students how the real world operates. And injection molding, robotics, larger robotics, 3D printing, hydroponics. There's rocketry in here. You know, on the wall here you see everything about NASA and rockets and everything going on. This is an amazing school. I'm Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. If you're thinking about putting a makerspace together and doing STEM type of activities in your school, think well beyond 3D printing. There is so many things you can bring into your school and empower your students to become great. Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com, and Shelly over there looks like she's videoing the little first gorilla coming off that printer.